Okay guys, last time we discussed about the channel customization where I emphasize on putting a description about your channel and setting up your other informations like you add link either to your website, to your Facebook page, your email, and you select the kind of language you want to focus on. So this description is what appears at the section of your channel and resource center once people search your channel. So it should be something that is so enticing that as soon as they visit your channel, they will get to know that yes, this is what this channel is all about. So let's look at this channel and see the description of this channel. You can see the about. You can see learn smart skills the easy way with open skill. We are channel educated. This is more of what I used on the trailer video. So that is it about this. Same with branding, we discussed about your picture, your banner, image. This can be a logo as well. Then your end screen or your video watermark. Then the layout. I already talked about the layout. Since we've not uploaded any video, you've not seen it on this layout. So now, the dashboard, we already discussed about dashboard. So once you are done setting, make sure you click publish. It is the first thing to do. Click on publish or else you will be starting from afresh. So once you click publish, you allow it to load. Changes published. So now, if you check this dashboard, this is where you are going to upload your videos. This is where you see the analytics, the summary of your channel, your current subscribers, the view, the watch hours, then your top videos. Then we'll be discussing more on channel analytics later. This content, this is where you are going to see all your videos that have been uploaded. If there is any restriction, if there are comments, there are views, this is where you're going to see them. If you want to go live, this is as well where you'll be seeing your streaming. For now, we're just trying to understand. This playlist is when you want to create different playlists. Maybe I want to focus on health products like health videos, blogging like vlogging about creating videos on health products. I can create a playlist. So you click on playlist, you create it, you title it health. This is what I want to create on now. Title it health. Then this public, this is where I want people either I want to privatize my playlist. So if it is only my people I give access to that will watch them, then it's definitely going to be private. But if I leave it on public, then it's everybody that will have access to this channel, this title or playlist title. So let me click on create. You can see I have it created already. So any video I want to upload, I will either select any of the product any of the playlists I want to go with. You can still edit the playlist anytime you want. So analytics, go further into analytics later. We'll just try to understand. So let's see what we'll be discussing now. Let's see what we are about discussing. Okay, we talked about layout. So layout, your layout now has to do with what I am talking about, the playlist, then let's see. Okay, playlist, trailer video, I already discussed all of these things. So that is it about this layout. So you can see, is it about, yes. Then let's proceed into, we are already in the YouTube studio. So you can see this is already the YouTube studio. This is the studio. So on this comment, this is where you'll be seeing people that responded to your video via comment. You can decide to remove or you allow any comment here. Then these subtitles, this is more of when you want your video to be playing and there are some titles beneath it. So this way we are going to select subtitles according to the videos you upload. since there's no video now, you won't be seeing them, but we'll understand them later once we start uploading videos on our channel. Then this copyright, you can see this is where you'll be getting notification of copyright request telling you to take down those videos. If you copy someone's content and you publish, and the person happen to term it plagiarism, then the person will report that video. And if that video is reported with a link, this is where you get the notifications. So now on settings, you can see this is where you customize your currency. You can choose the currency you want to work with. Then this channel, you can see customizing your channel. There are more to this, but I'll be doing that on the next video because I want this video to be lengthy so that it won't take much of your time. So that is it about this layout. You can see these are other way monetization. We'll be discussing more on monetization. For you to be able to monetize your Facebook account, your YouTube channel, you must be part of the Facebook YouTube partner. And before you can be part of it, you must have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So these are the two things that gives you that edge. So you can click on notify me when I'm eligible, so that as soon as you reach 1,000 subscribers and public watch hours, they will notify you that your account is set for monetization. Then make sure you activate two-step verification to secure your account. Then zero active community guidelines strikes. If you have any rule, like if you went against their policy and as a result of that you are not eligible, you will be notified here. You can see these are zero. These are the recommendations for monetization. As soon as you have 1,000 subscribers and watch hours, you'll be paid per view. So in YouTube make money from advertising people's products. So they will allow their videos to show on your video. So as soon as you allow that on your, let's see this person and see what's happening. Let's try to play her video and you see something. You can see this is an advert on her page. So that is how it goes. They will pay her as I am watching this now. So that is how the monetization aspect works. We already talked about this customization. Then this audio library is where you get to download sound effects, a lot of effects free of charge. Don't need to get people's music or whatever that will result to copywriting or copyright rather. So you can go to this audio library and download as many as possible. They are all free for you to use. So that is that about this layout. So on the next video I will be emphasizing more on settings. So make sure you subscribe to the channel to get updates of ways you can grow your YouTube channel.